In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use the main character Instagram trend to create a fun and easy reel for your brand or business using this InVideo template. Instagrammers have used this trend to romanticize their lives, travels, and journeys using the beautiful audio by REELS. And you can use it to showcase your products and services because businesses have seen a massive boost in engagement on Instagram when they use trending audios like this one. To create this reel, you will need two short video clips in the portrait vertical 9:16 format. These need to be suggestive of what your brand is about. So if you're a real estate brand, these clips could be simple videos of a house you've sold. And you don't need to get super technical. You can film these on your phone itself. If you don't have the time or the bandwidth to shoot your own clips, you can also access InVideo's stock media library to find a video that fits your requirements. For instance, here in case of the real estate business, we can look for beach houses or a minimal bedroom. In addition to this, you will also need 8 images that showcase your product or represent your service. Again, these need to be in a vertical or portrait mode. So if you're a skincare brand, simple photos of your products placed against a plain or pastel background will look really nice. For a real estate brand, you can have photos from open houses that you've hosted before. You will also need a PNG image of your logo, preferably with a transparent background. Once you have everything ready, you can start creating your reel. Since this is for Instagram, we are going with the default portrait mode that is in the 9:16 format. Simply click on Use this template and that will take you to the editor. Here you will find all the scenes already on the timeline with the preview of the video or the clip showing on the canvas above. All the scenes are synced to the music and you can individually edit each one by moving around and changing the elements in each scene, and changes in one scene will not affect another scene. On the left, you have the entire assets library from where you can choose any asset such as stock, videos, images, music, and text to add to your video. You also have a menu on top of the canvas that changes depending on the element you've selected. We need to start by uploading our own media. For that, go to the Uploads button on the left menu panel. Select the Folders option here to create a separate folder for all the media you're going to use in this project. Organizing this way saves a lot of time while you're actually editing the reel. Now click on the Upload button and upload all of your images and videos into the folder. Once you have everything in place, it's time to replace the text and videos in the template with your own clips and images. Select the first scene, which is your intro, on the timeline and then select the template video clip on the canvas. Then simply drag and drop your own video from the Uploads folder onto the canvas in the same spot. Click Replace in the pop-up window that appears, and in the next window, check this little icon here that says Trim Video to Fit Scene, so that your clip's duration doesn't exceed the duration of the scene. Now to change the intro text, double click on the text on the canvas. This will open up the edit window on the left where you can type out your own text. We are going to say simple staging tips for your next open house. Since we are also showcasing 8 tips, the number 8 stays the same. Now, if you want to change the font or the color of the text, you can use this menu on top of the canvas to do so. I am going to choose a bolder font so the text stands out more. And I'm going to apply this for all the slides by checking this option right here. Now let's move on to the first tip. Let's start by replacing the default video clip with an image that we've uploaded. The process remains the same. You just drag and drop your image onto the canvas and it will automatically be trimmed to the duration of the scene. Similarly, for the text, select it on the canvas and then replace it with your own using the edit window that appears on the left. Now, all you need to do is follow the same process to replace all the clips and the text in all the remaining scenes. You will need to do this a total of 11 times for all 11 clips. For the outro or the ending part of the video, which is the last video clip, you want to share a call to action or CTA through the text, depending on what action you want viewers to take after they finish watching your video. For this reel, we want viewers to check out our open house listings in the South Bay area, so that is what we are going to say. Once you've replaced all of your media, it is time to change your logo. Simply select the logo on the canvas and this opens up the logo menu on the left. Here, click on the upload button to upload your own logo image. And once it's uploaded, simply click on it and it will get replaced throughout the template. Once all your scenes are done, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your reel. If everything looks good, you can go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest you choose the 180p resolution as this gives you the best results. You can also recreate this trend for different types of brands. For instance, if you own a dropshipping business selling unusual and cool gadgets, this is what this trend could look like for you. On the other hand, if you're a financial advisor or consultant, this is something you could create using this template. When you're ready to upload, make sure you use the link in the description to go to the trending music track on Instagram and use that while uploading the reel. Simply select Use Audio and that will open up the Reels camera from where you can upload your edited reel. Instagram automatically mutes your original audio, and since it's already synced to the music you've chosen, you don't need to make any additional adjustments. Simply write out your caption, add your hashtags, and hit publish. And that's how you can recreate the main character Instagram trend for your business with InVideo.